Hey boys and girls, today we're going to work on area, but they're going to be more complex shapes. But it's just like we did yesterday with finding the area. We're going to have to find the area of two rectangles and then add the areas together. So let me show you what I mean. Okay, so we're going to get shapes like this. I'm not going to worry about this one or this one. Okay, or this one or this one. Okay, so if I look at this, if I draw a line down here, okay, that tells me that I have two rectangles, one here and one here. Okay, so I know that this is 10 inches. So if this is 7 inches, this has to be 3 inches because these sides have to equal this one. Okay, I also know that, so now I have these two, and okay, if this is 6 right here, 20 minus 6 means this is 14. Okay, I want to check something on IXL real quick, okay? Let me just go there real quick, because I think IXL will make it easier for you. Whoops. Okay, so now I know I've got 14 times 10. That's 140 feet, square feet. Okay, so that's this whole area. Now we have 6 times 3. This is 18 square feet. Now we just add those together. 140 plus 18. 8, 5, 1. Just a second. Okay, I'm going to go up. Just a sec, guys. Sorry about this. Okay. We are on AA. AA9. Yeah, I think we'll be okay. Yeah. They give you more numbers, okay? So now if I look at this, I could go here and go across. I could go down like this. So if I go down like this, I have a square here, and then I have this, okay? This is 18, this is 7. Here's 11, so 18 minus 11 means this is, I don't need to know that, because that'll be 18 right there. But this is 16. If that's 7, that means this is 9. Because this line plus this line needs to equal this line, okay? This line and this line have to equal this line. 7 plus 9 is 16. So now we have 9 times 11. 11 times 9 is 99. And here we have 18 times 7, okay? 18 times 7. 7 times 8 is 56. 7 times 1 plus 5 is 12. Then we add those two numbers, because then we know this whole area. So 126 plus 99. 6 plus 5, or 9 is 15. 9 plus 2 plus 1 is 12. 1 plus 1 is 2. So 225. Okay. If I go okay, let's do this right here. Okay. So this total area is 17. That's 15, so this has to be 2 right there. 15 plus 2 is 17, okay? This whole area is 19, so this is 9 right there. This would be 10 right there. So we multiply these two numbers. 17 times 9. 9 plus 6 is 153. So this whole box is 153 square inches. Okay, now we've got 10 times 15 here. Would be 150. So this is 150 square inches. So now I add these two numbers together to come up with the whole thing. 150 plus 153 is 303 square inches. Okay, now let's look at IXL, because IXL is a little bit nicer about the numbers, okay? All right. So if I go across here, all right, then I have the, whoops, sorry about that. Okay. If I go across here, now I have a rectangle that's 4 kilometers by 2 kilometers, okay? And then, see, because 4 plus 3 is 7. 4 plus 2 is 6, okay? So ignore this, because that's that whole side. You only need to go here, and that number's right there. 4 times 2 is 8. And then 3 times 6 is 18. So 8 plus 18, okay? You might want to draw this out on your paper. This would be, whoops, 26. Oop, I got it wrong. Okay, they did it differently than I did. Well, okay, I don't know why. Oh, maybe that dot there. Okay. All right, so let's go straight down. Okay, if I go straight down there, now I have a square or a rectangle that's 3 centimeters by 7 centimeters. Okay, so we have 7 times 3 is 21. Now let's do this side. This is 3 times 4. 3 times 4. So 3 times 4 is 12. And if we add these together, it's 33. That might help you if you do that way. Hold up a piece of paper. Okay. I think that will work better for you. Hold up the paper. Now I see a square that's 6 by 6. Okay. Remember, this 9 extends. So 6 by 6. 6 times 6 is 36. Okay. Now if I move my paper over, I have a square that's 3 by 3. 3 times 3 is 9, and then we add those together. 6 plus 9 is 5. Sorry, guys. Whoops. 15. So 45. Yeah, I would do that if I were you. Put a paper up there and go with the smaller numbers. 2 times 7 is 14. Whoops, sorry. 4 times 7 is 28. So you have 28 and 14. 42. I'll do one more with you, okay? So figure out the square first. Go with the smaller numbers. 8 times 6. Okay, multiply those out just like you did on the yesterday. 48. Now let's look at the smaller square. 3 times 3. And then in order to figure it out, we add them together. 48 plus 9. So you're basically doing 2 squares. 17, 5, 57. Oh. Okay, that's how you do that. So have fun, enjoy. You know how to do it.